All right, I just wanted to stop on here because I've had a couple of requests from people about tutorials on how to use the spatial network. So this is a great time to do so, and I'm going to just start from the home page. Basically, these questions asking to see, where you're at. You're stewarding land or you're an explorer. There's no wrong way to get into platform. This is a really great video that our lead on our marketing and storytelling, Atlas, has put together, and it kind of just gives you a flavor for it. Now, just know that some things on this video have changed a little bit, but most of it is somewhat the same. But that's why I'm taking this over to go in here and get more description of the site and what it offers, the application. There's some featured stories here, and if you want, you can go to all the stories, and this is the stories on the map landing page. You can also access this by going storiesonthemap.com, and it just redirects to that.